Switching gears, you should never pay full price at Target because there are so many ways to save, including knowing which days to shop. According to All Things Target, or Target, however you like to say it, the store marks down clearance items in each department on specific days. So on Mondays, it's electronics, kids' clothes, books, and more. Tuesdays, it's all about women's clothes, pets, and food. Wednesday, shop men's clothes, health and beauty, furniture, and more. You can also shop houseware, lingerie, shoes, sporting goods, and toys on Thursdays. And on Friday, the focus is auto, cosmetics, hardware, and jewelry. Now, there are other ways to save, including end of aisle deals. I'm sure we see them as soon as we walk into the dollar section there. Yep. That's always so much fun. There's also a Cartwheel app. If you've never heard about that before, you can go to our website. It can save you up to 90% at Target. It's huge savings. Just go to abc15.com/smartshop.
I'm glad you spelled that out because I need help when I go to Target. I need to be guided around.
You got to go in with a plan. And I'm not going to lie, sometimes I just go to Target to beat the heat with Addison in the afternoon. We just walk around and browse. And Iris, I feel like we're going to be spending a lot of time there in the coming days. And